So today I am going to be trying on extra small rubber gloves, and I've got them all right here, and let's just get into it. So the first ones, rubber dishwashing gloves, are actually for ages 6 to 9 years old, but it was very difficult to find extra small rubber gloves. What the first pair looks like. Extra small dishwashing gloves, and I will be doing some cleaning later on with these in the video. And then here's the next one. Oops. Ooh. What are they? Yep, kids again, but you know what? Let's see what they look like. My scissors again. Here are the kid gloves. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Alright, so these are the next ones. And then finally, I ordered quality rubber gloves that are supposed to be super small as well. I don't believe these are children's brand, but I think they're supposed to run small. So what do we got here? Oh, it's a 2-pack. Yeah, they're technically size small, but I read that they run super tiny. So let's see. Ooh. Okay. Cool, they've got that little floral detail on them. Guess you could use these for gardening or anything. All right, so those, oh, there's more in here. Huh. Wait, where did we, oh, that's right, there was 2. Okay. So these are the extra small kids version. These are the extra small adult version, I guess. They look pretty similar, but they're different. And then here are the extra small kids dishwashing gloves. So let's try them on, shall we? So let's start with these water splash gloves. Perfect for washing the dishes. Try them on. Ready? Hold on, let me, there we go. Now you can really see what I'm doing here. So I've got this. Oh my gosh, I don't know if my hand's gonna fit, guys. This cuff part, oh my gosh. Ooh. I mean, they are ages, what did it say on there? Like 3 years old. Guys, I'm gonna get stuck in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I got them on. The little fingers. Do each finger. There we go. And then we pull them up over the sleeves so we don't get soap and water all over our shirt. So here we go. Hold on. All right, that's the first one. Let's put the second one on. There was a pair even smaller than this that I almost got to, and I'm like, I don't think my hand would have fit in there probably. It doesn't even really fit in these. Okay, well, all right, so those are the baby dishwashing gloves. Now let's see if I can take them off. The ultimate ASMR challenge. Okay. These are very difficult. They're even more difficult to get off, as I figured. Oh my god. Ow. I think I got him. No. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try it, let's try it, let's try it. Alright, shall we move on to the next ones? These were also ages 6 through 9, extra small, so let's see if I can get these ones on. Alright, so we're gonna begin with the left hand. There we go. Oh yeah, these ones went on a lot easier. My sleeve doesn't want it to cooperate. Yay! Extra small rubber gloves. Let's try on the next one. Here it is. Very, very, very tight on the hand. Squeeze into these ones. see if we can get these off. Ooh. I'm liking those ones. Alright, and for our last pair, let's see what happens. Those went on and no problem. Next. See, they've got those ridges on the inside. All right, shall we go wash our dishes? I think so.